And Brian writes tonight, the employees should be fired as well. That's physical contact, and it could have gotten worse. Should have pulled the phone out, recorded, following to the vehicles while others called the police that they want to defund. Joseph, let me ask you about this. I don't know what happened in this case. I don't think it has happened in this case. But in other ones like this where employees have stepped in, I've seen employees get fired because they violated company policy. What are your thoughts about the position that employees are put in? Because, you know, just kind of like, generally speaking, you see something like that, you're like, no, you can't do that. I want to stop them.
You're right. A lot of times they've gotten fired because you'll have some 18-year-old, 22-year-old male as security. He'll see that and he'll go charging out there, body tackle the women or the person on the ground on cement, start beating on them, and it gets bad from there. But here's the problem, and I like that last comment by the person who wrote in as saying they should have been fired. I don't know that I agree with that. A little harsh. However, there is a whole process we've discovered from suing these corporations where what you find out is they'll say, okay, we got to read this policy to you so we can stay libel free. But we love those employees who are proactive in getting our stuff back. And for the ones who just think they're going to sit back and say, well, too bad, so sad, bet you don't have your job in the morning. Those folks know that, and so that's what causes them or motivate them to want to do something because they're afraid of what will happen to them when they go back to their job and suddenly they don't have it anymore.